In previous video, we have already seen how to clean the dataset, and we have prepared the diabetes dataset for the same. This is the dataset which is after preprocessing. Okay, I will show the dataset before preprocessing. The dataset having null entities are represented with the question marks, and we clean the dataset by using the preprocessing technique and the orange tool. Now the dataset, that is dataset 1 or data table 1, is preprocessed, and this is the dataset which is not having any kind of null entities. Now we will see how to save this dataset. Now just drag and drop this save data, and I will just connect this data table with save data. Now double click on this and save as. I will put it in desktop. Save as diabetes data preprocessed. Okay, and I will just change the type as Excel, and I will just save it on desktop. Okay, now let us go to Tableau and try to import this data sheet which is preprocessed. Open. I'm opening Tableau. Okay. Okay. We will just try to import the saved dataset or the cleaned Excel sheet which is saved just before some time. Now for importing any kind of Excel sheet in Tableau, we use two files. This is the Connect tab which is at the left end, and Microsoft Excel. Click on this Microsoft Excel and go to desktop, and we saved diabetes missing data preprocessed. I will just click this and open. Post opening, this is the sheet which is showing all the data which is preprocessed. Now this is the back end of the Tableau. Now let us see how to apply filters as, or in my case, this is the first column which is showing so many values. Now I will just click this. These are the values which are in ascending formats, and these are the values which are in descending formats. Okay, if I just click on this, okay, these are the zeros. Now if I want to remove all these zeros from my set or from my data set, I will just click on add. I am applying filters for removing all these zero values from pregnant column. I will apply add. I want to apply this on the column named pregnant. I have just clicked, and I will select from the list, that is 0, and I will say exclude. These zeros will be excluded from my dataset. Okay, I will click on OK, and I will click on OK. Now as you are able to observe, now my data set is not having any kind of zeros. I will once again, the data set is in ascending order, and you are able to see I have applied the filter for removing the zero from my data set, that is 0 from pregnant column. Okay, now let us come forward for the front end. This is sheet 1. I will just this is the front end, and here we are expected to choose the grains. What is grain? Grain means how many things or which thing you can find out from your data set. Now suppose I want to find out the pregnant women's with age. Suppose I want to just include the pregnant women's with age 21. I can go to backend, or I can add the filter at front end as well. Let us see and add one more filter here, and I will apply it on age. I will just click on this and just 21. I'm including the woman at or women who are having age 21, and I'm excluding all the rest of data. I will just apply OK, and just OK. Now I have applied 2 filters on my data set. Okay, just try to reconnect it. Okay, we will say no. We will just try to reconnect our data set. It's showing the error somehow, and that's why we'll proceed once again with this Microsoft Excel and preprocessed data. I'm opening it, and this is the sheet. We will add the filter. I have added the filter for pregnant women. Okay, and 0 exclude. Okay, and I will add one more for age, and I will just include for the 21. Okay, I will keep add. No, I will just click on OK. Now, as you are able to see, go to the tab. Okay, age. No ascending and descending. It's showing only 21 rows. Okay, no ascending and descending in this case. And here I have applied the 2 filters. 0 is also removed, and only the woman having the age 21. 0 from pregnant column is removed, and that is our first filter, and age only 21. Now, as these are tightly coupled, the changes which are saved or created on the back end will get reflected in the front end as well. Now, let us find out the green. We will find out the pregnant women's with age 21, the pregnant woman with age 21 who are diabetic. Let us try to analyze things. Okay, we can add colors. Only one chart is suitable for this grain. Now, all the pregnant women with age 21 who are diabetic and with their skin folds and with their BMIs. Okay, with this data set, if we are changing the values, then also only one kind of measurement or only one kind of data it is supporting, and that is the tabular representation. No other format is possible with this data set. Okay, now let us go with only one. What is grain? I will repeat. Grain means the thing which we are able to find out with the help of particular data set. Now I will just apply, or I will just trying to find out women's at the age of 21 who are pregnant and having or suffering from diabetes. These are the women which are at the age of 21 and who are suffering from diabetes. These kind of grains are possible